Hi class, this is your introduction to Module 1 or Week 1. This week's reading assignment is Chapter 1, Introduction to Psychology. So this week's reading assignment, you're going to be introduced to some of the famous names in the field of psychology. Sigmund Freud, Wilhelm Wundt, B.F. Skinner, Kafka, Carl Rogers, J.B. Watson, Jean Piaget. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Wilhelm Wundt is considered by most to be the father of psychology, and he opened the first psychological lab to study principles of psychology. You will also be learning about the different subfields in psychology, like clinical psychology and developmental psychology and forensic psychology. Also, some of the career paths one could go to in the field of psychology, such as the differences between a master's degree and a PhD and a bachelor's degree. Also about research and things like that, and ethics and things like that. Also, you will see your assignments for this week, which would include your first discussion threads that you will be working on. Please note that you will have, I believe there's 2 questions you're going to be working on this week. You will need to respond to the first post by Wednesday, okay? Every time there's a discussion thread question, your first post must be posted by Wednesday. Then by the following, during the rest of the week, you will respond to 3 of your peers, and you must do that by Sunday, okay? First post Wednesday, then respond to 3 of your peers by Sunday. You also will be put into groups, and you're going to start on your very first group project, which is called the virtual field trip, and you can read about that. I'm going to put you in groups and give you one of the famous studies in the field of psychology, and then you guys are going to create a PowerPoint presentation and basically detail what was done in that experiment and what effect it had in the field then and continues to have on the field and the world today. So get cracking on your reading, and you'll get started on your discussion thread question, and I will put you into the groups and give you your study for the week. Okay, so good luck with your assignments, and I'll see you in class this week. Okay, bye.